Okay, welcome to SUBTRACTION Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Bitswamba, and we are going to continue with our topic, which is operation of whole numbers. And we said that under operation of whole numbers, we are able to look at addition of large numbers, those in digits, up to what? Up to 6. So this is how we are going to be looking at this. So we are able to look at this operation of what? Of whole numbers, and we said that we shall be looking at addition up to 6 what? Up to 6 digits. That in this we shall totally be looking at the sum, the total, and also all together, simply meaning addition. So we shall also be looking at these numbers which are in 6 digits, like here. So we are able to work out with these examples in our recent video. So in today's video we shall be able to look at a question that is now related to these operations of whole numbers. Okay, so we have been given a question here, and in this question you find that the digits which are given are too much. They look scary, but in operation of these whole numbers, we deal with large digits, 6, 7, 10, but we use the same approach of addition, because this is our normal what? Our normal addition. For example, you can have a look at this question. This is our question. Okay, when you look at this question, they are saying African countries. Okay, these are what? These are African countries. Then they are saying we should study it and answer the question that does what? The question that follow. So this is a table which is given, and we have to identify it very critically for us to be able to pass these numbers. So this is one of the ways how they do set this operation of what? Of whole numbers. Now you can see here in this table we have what we call math. Okay, we also have rainfall, fall, that is rainfall, which is measured in what? In millimeters. Okay, so we have in math, in the math that are given, those are the month of the year from January up to December. There is rainfall which was measured in what? In milliliters. So when it was measured, you can see here it kept on increasing. Like in January, maybe it is a bit small, 1742. Feb, it increases, okay, as you can see, up to 7,400 and 76. Okay, so this is what is given. Each month is having what? Is having its rainfall measured in what? Measured in milliliters. Okay, so now you can have a look at our question which are asked, such that you can be now able to answer. Okay, so they are saying how much rainfall was received in, we have January and what? And Feb. January and Feb. So for us to be able to attempt this question, we should be able to go in the column of January and Feb, and we shall just only be able to calculate this. Okay, let me try to get some space here, which is very small. They are telling us to calculate January and Feb. So that means we shall be able to pick out our January and Feb. But when you see our January is 1742, then our Feb is 24,174. So we can start out with our 24 what 24, because it is the biggest. 70 what 74. This is 24,100 and what 174. Then we are going just to add our 1,000. So we write our 2 here. We also write our 4 here. Then we also write our 7. Then we also write our 1. So in this we are just only going to be adding and get the answer. So what is 4 plus 2? We get our answer 6. 4 plus 7, we get 11. We write 1. We carry what? We carry 1. What is 1 plus 7? We get 8. Becomes plus 1. We carried, becomes 9. Then we say 4 plus 1. It gives us what? 5. Then 2 plus a 0. Okay, so we can see that if we account for the rainfall which was received in March, it was 25,916. So we should be able to put millimeters, okay, millimeters, such that our answer is not left hanging. So also when you look at March and June, you still do the same thing. If we have our March and June, we start with our June, which is having the biggest number. You can see this is 121,000. Okay, then 476. So you say 121,000. Okay, then 476. Then we also add our other number, which is we have a June and March. Then we come and pick our March. Yes. We have our March, which is here. It is 1,800 and okay, this is 18,147. 18,000. So here you write our 7. We write our 4 here. Okay, we also write our 1. And then we write our 8. Then we write our 1. So we also add this. When you add this, we have what is 6 plus 7? That is 13. You write 3. You carry what? You carry 1. Then this is 7 plus what? 7 plus 4, 11 plus the 1 we carried. Okay, then this becomes 12. Right, then we carry 1 also. 4 plus 1, then plus the 1 we carried, becomes what? 6. Then we say 8 plus 1, it becomes what? 9. Then 1 plus 2, this becomes our 3. Then our 1. So we can see that our answer is going to be 13. Okay, 9, 6. Okay, then 2 and 3. Okay, we have this. Alright, so you can see our total rain received in millimeters. We shall be having our 139,623 in what? In millimeters. Okay, please ensure that you write this very well. such that you can be able to get your answer correct, not left hanging. Okay, so they are also asking about July and December. You still do the same approach for you to get the what, to get the right answer. They are also asking the first 4 months of the what, the first 4 months of the year. So when they talk about the first 4 months of the year, we count them. This is the first, the second, the third, the fourth. So this simply means you'll be able to get this, okay, in millimeters. You also get this in millimeters, this also in millimeters, this also in millimeters. You add them together for you to get the what, to get the right answer. Okay, so we are totally going to be handling this other number. You will try out this one and also this one. So I'm going to do out this. So our part E, I've tackled this and also this. So we are saying our part E, in a district, okay, we have a district, there is 12,125 boys, and also I will have 146,000 girls. All of them sat for what? Sat for exams. What was their total pupils? What was the total number of pupils who sat for the exams in the district? Okay. Now you can be able to see what they are talking about here. Here we had 12,125. There we had 146,000. Okay, 46 what thousand. So let's look at how we can do this. Let's look at how we can solve that. We see how we can solve our number here. Okay, so in our number here we have 12,000. Okay, 125. These were what? These were boys. Okay, these were boys. Then we have 146,000. Okay, so they were asking how many were they in total. These were what? These were girls who sat for exams. Okay, so this simply means we shall just be able to add here to get the total number of people who sat for what? For exams. So we shall, here we say 0 plus a 5, shall be able to get our 5. Here we get our 2. Then here we get 1. Here we get 6. Okay, then here we get our 6. Okay, what is 2 plus 4? And then here we get our 2. So this simply means that the total number of pupils who sat for the exams were 266,125. Then here we put what? We put pupils, not to leave our answer what? Hanging. So that is how we can be able to deal out with the operation of numbers, and that's how they always ask such a questions to test your skills of adding large numbers. So you can use that to solve different numbers. So for this, let me say thank you very many, or thank you very much for being part of this class. Please be able to subscribe, and also in our comment section put your comment. Shall be able to respond and do to your will. Stay blessed. Have a nice moment.